Oh, you didn't?
I did.
Sugar Hill Gang up in here?
That happened.
Yes.
Did you know that song is 14 minutes long?
Yeah, I know. I can sing the whole thing.
No, you can't.
I can. Yes. I said a hip hop, the hippie to the hip, the hip hip hop. You can't stop a rocket to the bang bang boogie. Say up jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie to beat. Now what you?
Wow.
Yeah, I can really do that.
A little bit. Okay, so a complete workout doesn't just focus on major muscle groups like your arms, your stomach, and your legs.
It does not. You've got to target certain areas to get maximum results. Lisa's going small today, so you can see a big difference.
A lot of times when we all start new workout programs, we always focus on just the large muscle groups. However, we can't forget about all those small muscles because they're just as important. So today I want to show you 3 ways to really target on a small muscle called the abductors. Your abductors are a group of muscles that are right here on your side. There's several little muscles that actually make up abductors. So I want to show you the first exercise that's really simple that you can do in the convenience of your home or the gym or honestly just about anywhere. So what you're going to do, you're going to get your feet right underneath your hips, tight through your core, and you're going to go right into a squat, and then when you lift, you're going to do a leg lift side. And you can do 20 reps on one side, and then you can also switch it out and do 20 reps on the other side. Now as you're down, you're squeezing your glutes nice and tight, and then as you're lifting, same thing, you want to squeeze nice and tight through your glutes and that outside thigh. So that would be a level 1 if you want to just get started and do something nice and simple. A more advanced option to really get a little bit more intensity work on your outside thigh would be to use one of our resistor tubes. You can purchase this anywhere in town as well, but all your gyms will have these. You want to step on it about your feet shoulder width apart, bring your hands towards your hips, and then you're just going to take little baby steps, maybe walk 10 one way, and again walk 10 the other way. And the more and more you do, you'll start to feel that intense burn on the outside thigh. All right, so if you even want to spice it up just a little bit more, you can use the equipment at the gym. We have machines that are designed to work the outside thigh as well as the inside thigh, but I'm going to show you the exercise with the outside thigh. As you can see, I put some weight into the machine. You just sit up nice and tall. You can pick your level for how much you want your legs to move. You sit up nice and tall, and then you just move your legs out and move your legs in. Try to keep the weights from crashing down. You want to be sure to hold it just a little and then open it back up. And again, I would suggest maybe doing 10 reps, take a quick break, and then start up 10 more and complete 3 rounds. And doing all 3 of those levels is guaranteed to work those small muscle groups and get you some good abductor muscles.
So the white, the red, and the brown, the purple, and yellow. But first, I got to bang, bang, the boogie. I'm sorry. If you'd like to learn more about the Boot Camp Challenge program at Gold's, give Lisa a call.
Yep, you can give her a shout there on the screen or send her an email, lisa@goldsama.com. Okay, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Orange, you glad Coleman's in the kitchen today?
Oh, you did not. You did not do that.
He's making orange beef pasta. That's next.